Shalom Aleichem, everyone. I hope you're doing amazing wherever you are, and I hope you had a wonderful and amazing Pesach Sheni, and I hope you took advantage of it and did Teshuvah, elevated yourself, refined yourself, because now I have even better news that tomorrow night is Lag BaOmer, the 33rd day of the Omer, which also marks the Yartzeit, the Hilula, of one of the most greatest Tanaim of all time, Rabbi Shimon bar Yochai, the author of the Zohar. And he himself says that the 33rd day of the Omer, one can achieve such greatness and reach to such a high spiritual level, and with that receive an abundance of blessing into their life that affects their neshama with joy and happiness and peace and Torah and Yirat Shamayim and unbelievable blessings. Therefore, I want to give you a heads up and pay attention very well to the following announcements. First of all, I highly recommend that you go to atzmut.org/Lag BaOmer. The link is in the description. And the first thing I recommend for you to do is to scroll all the way down, and you'll find there 3 videos. One video is amazing lecture that you must hear before Lag BaOmer if you can. If not, then listen to it during Lag BaOmer. It will enlighten you, it will inspire you, it will educate you about Lag BaOmer and many other things, and mainly what you can achieve on Lag BaOmer. Next to it, you'll find 2 other videos about the Sfirah, Hod Shebehod, the Sfirah that we count on Sfirat HaOmer tomorrow. You'll find 2 videos there, very educational, very powerful, that at least you know what to be expecting, what can be achieved, what can be done. Don't miss these 3 videos. While you're on this page, go all the way back to the top, and you'll find very clear instructions what you need to do on the day of Lag BaOmer. And of course, on that page, you will find a few types of prayers that I highly recommend that you recite them. I know that usually when I send you prayers to say they're very short, Lag BaOmer is long. So you'll find there one section is Tehillim that you want to read on Lag BaOmer. The next one is Tikkunei Zohar, and the third one is Patach Eliyahu. I know it's a lot. You can spread it out throughout the night and the day of Lag BaOmer. But if you want to achieve unbelievable enlightenment and unbelievable spiritual elevation and receive abundance of blessing in every aspect of your life, and I'm talking only from experience, then you definitely want to recite these blessings. The order doesn't really matter, as long as you recite them. So atzmut.org/Lag BaOmer, don't miss out. Go through the page, see the videos that are on the bottom, look at the prayers, look at the instructions. Of course, I will do another video tomorrow with more instructions and a follow-up, but you want to get prepared and you don't want to miss the opportunity. More than that, tomorrow I'm going to go live at night. It's going to be Lag BaOmer already in Israel, but probably for North America will still be before Lag BaOmer, which is amazing, because I'm going to talk about the greatness of Rabbi Shimon bar Yochai, the amazing opportunities we have on Lag BaOmer, learn a little bit of Zohar, and more than that, I have an amazing surprise for the ones of you who love learning Zohar. We are opening a private group that is going to learn with me every day Zohar live, and in many of the cases recorded. Of course, all the classes will be recorded and will be posted on my website, but this is going to be specifically to a closed learning group. These classes will not go on YouTube. This classes is going to be just for whoever registers to these private classes. I will give you all the information tomorrow on the live call. Right now, you can't find any information about it. A little bit of information on atzmut.org/Zohar, Lag BaOmer, sorry. But all the information I will explain on the live call tomorrow. So if you want to join the live call, I don't know exactly when it's going to be because it depends on the parties that we're going to be doing here. There's also a lot of restrictions this year with going to Meron, which of course, as usual, I highly recommend that if you want to submit names for me to pray on your behalf at the Tziyun, at Meron, then on that page, there's a link where you can submit your names, submit donations, and I will mention the names at Tana at the resting place of Rabbi Shimon bar Yochai at some point in Lag BaOmer. I don't know exactly when, just because of all the restrictions that we have this year. So the live call will be announced tomorrow. Pay attention. And it's going to be on YouTube. It's going to be in the evening hours of Israel, so it will be afternoon by North America. I highly recommend that you join this live call. Of course, it's going to be recorded and posted on YouTube, so you won't miss it if you can join the live call. But all the information I'm going to explain there, the lecture is going to be amazing. It's going to be powerful and educational. And for the ones of you who love to learn Zohar and want to learn with me privately every day, then follow the information on atzmut.org/Lag BaOmer and on the call that I'm going to be doing tomorrow, the lecture, and of course with the following videos that I will do. So there's a lot to be prepared for. Don't miss out. This year it's tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday, Lag BaOmer, one of the most powerful days, not only in the entire year, but also on the Sfirat HaOmer. So I highly, highly recommend that you join, you follow, you participate, you pray, you learn, you join, you do everything. Don't miss out. It's a powerful opportunity. I'll see you tomorrow, Be'ezrat Hashem. Please share this video, like the video, and get ready. Go to the page, and Be'ezrat Hashem, I will see you tomorrow on the live call. So follow the information and the instructions. Wait for more videos with the announcements of when the video is going to go up, and for everything to be open and available. Until then, I'm wishing you an amazing, successful, healthy, prosperous week. And Be'ezrat Hashem, I will see you tomorrow on the live call. Shavua Tov and happy Lag BaOmer.